And now I'm gonna show you how to do the circle, the spot around the next eye. I already sewing this one and your nose. You already have it sewed in. But if you want that spot, I'll show you how to do it right now. So you're gonna get your blue. You're gonna do the slip knot. And you're gonna chain up 4. You're gonna do a magic circle with 4. And you're going to go into that first stitch and do your magic circle. Chain up 3. And this is where you're going to do your trebles or your triple crochets. You're going to wrap your yarn around twice. Go through the middle of that circle. Pull the yarn through. You have 4. Go through the first 2. You have 3. You pull through the next 2. You have 2. You pull through the last 2. And that's how you do a triple. Now you're going to do 12 of these all the way around your little spot here.
When the soldier copies my dance, he'll fall fast asleep. That's a great idea.
So you're going to go all the way around till you have 12, and then I'll get back to you at the end of here so I can help you and show you how to put it together. Okay, now I'm at my 12, and you'll have 13 because that chain up 3 counts as 1. So you'll have 13 all the way around total. And then you're going to go into that third stitch right there, that first stitch that you made when you did your treble. You're going to go to the top one, and you're going to slip stitch. Oh, my string doesn't want to go through all 3. There you go. Okay. You're going to go up 2. You're going to cut your yarn, pull it through, and just close your work. Okay, and then you have this little circle right here. Now when you lay it flat on your beanie, it's going to lay flat, so don't worry. Okay, now with a needle that I've put some blue yarn in it, you are going to sew this in. Okay, now this one you can just close it in and just cut it and just lay it flat. And remember your eye is going to be on top of that beanie. So you can just center it wherever the other one was. I usually just follow the white or the ear, and I just put it there. And see, that's what it looks like. So just put the blue in wherever you're going to put it. Use your needle to get that yarn to go this way, and that's what we're going to use to tie it down. Remember how we did last time too. So you're just going to hold it down, and with your needle, with your blue yarn, you're going to go around all the way around and with your stitches. And going through your stitches will actually help it stay flat. So you want to do that. So you're going to go all the way around, and then I'll show you what it looks like with your completed. Okay, now I'm done. I already sewed the blue spot, and then my eye in the middle, you just use brown yarn to sew it in, and that is your puppy right here. Isn't it cute? It's really cute. Really cute little puppy. Now this one's for my son, and he doesn't really like the tassels, the little braids around. But if you want to add the braids, if you're doing it for a little girl and you want those braids down, then all you do is just gather all your 3 colors of yarn and cut about, I would cut maybe, depending on how big you want your tassels to be. I usually cut it about, maybe about 8 to 9 inches long. You cut your yarn 8 to 9 inches long, or 12 if you want it longer. You cut them all the same, and then you're going to fold them. And that's how big your tassels are going to be. You're going to fold them together, and you're going to make 2 sets of 3 each, so 6. Okay, you're going to do 4 total sets of 6. You're going to do, sorry, my phone is kind of messing up. You're going to do 4 sets of 6 each, and you're going to put 2 together, so it's 2 and 2, so the total will be, what is it, 12 and 12. Okay, and then when you fold them, there'll be more. Okay, so when you fold them together, you're just going to go into, with your needle, into that second stitch that we left, and you're going to put your needle, your strings, all put together. You're going to fold them a little bit, or go around a little bit just to tighten it, and you're just going to go through it, and then pull your needle out, and just put all those strings through, and then you'll have this long, real pretty long yarns, and then you just divide them into 3 sets, and you just braid it, and that's all you're going to do, just braid it, and then you can just tie it up with another little piece of yarn, and that's your tassels if you want them. But since like I said, my son doesn't really like tassels, so I'm not going to add them. I usually just add them to the little girls' beanies, but that's pretty much all you do. And if you need me to show you how to do that, just post a comment on my videos or on my Facebook, and I'll show you. I'll be happy to make a video just on tassels, on how to add your tassels. But pretty much that's your beanie. That's what it looks like. It's really cute little beanie for your little boy or your little girl. And hope you like my video, and just stay tuned, because next Thursday I'll be posting a video on how to do the diaper cover that I made for this beanie. It's going to have the blue and the brown, and I'm also going to show you on our next week project. We're going to be working on 2 projects actually next Thursday. We're going to work on the diaper cover, and then we're going to work on our mittens for this set. So you'll have a whole set, a puppy set, ready to go for that little special little boy that's, that's birthday or a baby shower. So this is perfect. And just stay tuned for my next Project Thursdays. Thank you.